Earlier this month, a federal court banned Texas from continuing the Texas DREAM Act. The 2001 law allowed some students not legally in the country to qualify for in-state tuition at public universities and colleges. Many of those affected came to the country as children or teens. A judge ruled that the law was unconstitutional, and Attorney General Ken Paxton announced his office would not contest the decision. As Adam Schwager tells us, the outcome leaves many questions unanswered.
The only thing we want in this country is literally an opportunity for an education.
Adilsa Lopez fled extreme poverty in Guatemala at age 12, eventually going to school in the Houston area. Despite not speaking English on her arrival, the DACA recipient finished top 10% of her class and attended UT Austin with in-state tuition thanks to the Texas DREAM Act.
It was literally the only reason or the only way I was able to graduate from college.
Last Wednesday, the federal government sued Texas, saying its law ran afoul of federal law, and the Texas Attorney General's office agreed. In a statement, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton said the Texas DREAM Act, quote, unconstitutionally and unlawfully gave benefits to illegal aliens that were not available to American citizens, calling the decision a major victory for Texas. However, State Senator Carol Alvarado says this is a step backwards.
This is going to have we're going to take a financial hit from this because these are students that may choose not to go to school.
With fall tuition bills in the mail next month, schools will have to think quickly. And in the meantime, a host of Texas House Democrats signed on to this, urging the Texas Higher Education Coordinating Board to help ensure undocumented Texans can continue receiving in-state rates.
And I hope that people can see that human side as this is the kid that your son or daughter plays with. This is the one they grew up with. This is not some random person that just came running across the border.
For State of Texas, I'm Adam Schwager.
We reached out to Attorney General Paxton's office for comment on the decision not to defend the DREAM Act. We have not received a response. Students eligible for in-state tuition pay significantly less than those who do not qualify. Currently, the average in-state tuition at Texas public universities is just under $11,000. For comparison, the average tuition for out-of-state students is almost 4 times higher, costing over $42,000 annually. Texas lawmakers opened the door to testing psychedelic drugs.
I will spend the rest of my life pushing this, because I've seen the impact it can have.
How military veterans are pushing Texas toward clinical trials that could save lives. And a name change at a Texas military post. We look at the name change to honor a military hero at the expense of another who served.